We are trying to find the value of z. Z is this long side. And I've got these right angles. So if this is a right angle, let me change colors. If this is a right angle, we know this is going to be a right angle. And that's going to force that to be a right angle. So what that means is this value y is the same value down here. And this side over here is the same thing as x. So let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says x equals y equals 1. So that means this side is 1, this side is 1, this side is 1, and this side is 1. But I only know one side of this triangle over here. I do not know this value, so that clue doesn't help me. I only know that this leg of the triangle is 1. So clue 1 does not work by itself. Now, data sufficiency, the way it works is you tried clue 1, now forget about it. Now let's do clue 2. Let me see if I can erase without erasing everything. Trying to erase clue 1. Good job. Clue 2 says W equals 2. So now that tells me that W equals 2. The only thing I know about this entire figure is that hypotenuse is 2. Well, that doesn't help me find this length of Z. So now what we do, clue 2 didn't work by itself. Now we put both clues together. So x equals y equals 1. That means this is 1. And this side's 1. And this side's 1. And this side's 1. And W is 2. So we know that from, let me get my other color. We know from here over to here is 1. And we can use, I'm going to pull out this triangle. I know the answer. I know it works right now because this side is 2 and this side is 1. And you can use the Pythagorean theorem to find this side. And then you would just add that to 1 and you would have it. So the answer is C. And just to remind you what the Pythagorean theorem is, it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are legs of a triangle and c is a hypotenuse. So this would be 1 squared plus x squared equals 2 squared. So 1 plus x squared equal 4. X squared equal 3. X equals, normally you get, when you take the square root of both sides, you get plus or minus, but we don't care about minus because we're dealing with distances, and distances are always positive. It'd be square root of 3. So that tells you that Z is really 1 plus square root of 3. Now, all this I did on the side, you would not do that on the GMAT. I just wanted to make sure that you understood the Pythagorean theorem. Answer C.